Today we are starting with the sum of terms of EP. Sum of first n terms of an EP. The formula for sum is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1t. We are aware of everything. Second formula is n by 2 a plus l. L is the last term. Last term means nth term. And we have a derivation also in our syllabus. So let's derive the formula first. So we have terms are a plus d, a plus 2d, like last term will be L and second last will be L minus D. This is one sum. So sum will be A plus D plus A plus 2D plus L minus D plus L. Now writing in reverse order. Writing in reverse order. Writing in reverse order. So Sn will be L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D. So it will be A plus D, A plus A. So adding 1 and 2. This is first, this is 2, adding first and second. This will be A plus L. This will be A plus L. This will be A plus L. This will be A plus L plus A plus L. So that means this will be 2Sn. So 2Sn, Sn plus Sn is equal to n into A plus L, because it will be n times. Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L or n by 2 L. L means A plus n minus 1 D, nth term. So the final answer will be n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D. Right? Another thing we have to understand here is the nth term is also equal to sum of term minus sum of second last term, and D is equal to A minus an minus 1, and arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, that is called AM. Arithmetic mean between two numbers A and B, between two numbers A and B will be equal to A plus B by 2. Right? And another important fact is, then if we have to assume the three numbers, when he says that the three numbers are in AP, then we take three number is A plus D and A minus D. Three numbers. When he says that the four numbers are in AP, then the four numbers are A plus D, A plus 3D, A minus D, A minus 3D. And if he says that the five numbers are in AP, then it is A plus D, A plus 2D, A minus D, and A minus 2. That we have to remember. So let's do few sums based upon this. The first question is minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, find sum up to 12 terms. A is minus 37, D minus 33 minus 37, minus 33 plus 37 is equal to 4, and n is 12. We have to find the sum n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. So n by 2, 12 by 2 into minus 37 plus n, 12 minus 1 d is 4. This is 6 minus 74 minus 44 plus 44. So 6 into minus 30 is equal to minus 1. Next sum is, so now we have to understand also certain things, certain observations. In an AP, find n where if a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3 and an is equal to 50. Find n and Sn. So an is equal to 50 is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So a plus n minus 1d is equal to 50. 5 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 50. N minus 1 into 3 is equal to 45. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 60. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n minus 1d. We can use this, or we can use n by 2 plus a plus n. N is 16 by 2, a was 3, a was 5, and the last term was 50. So 8 into 55 is 440. So you have to see that which formula is being used and where. Third, find A12, find S12. Find S12 if A12 is equal to 37 and D is equal to 3. S12, A12 is 37 and D is 3. N, A12, that means N is how much? 12. A12 means A plus 11D is equal to 37. A plus 11 into 3 is equal to 37, and A will be equal to 4. Now we have to find S12. S12 is equal to n by 2 A plus n. N is how much? 12 by 2. Again, S12 means 12 upon A is 4, and last term an is 37. This is 6. 6 into 41, 6, 246. Right? Fourth sum. Fourth sum is sum of three number is 21. Sum of three numbers in AP is 21 and their product is 231. Find numbers. Sum three numbers. It is not first three numbers, three numbers. Three numbers will be A plus D, A minus D. So A minus D plus A plus D is equal to 21. So 3A is equal to 21, A is equal to 7. And their product A minus D, A plus D is equal to 231. A is how much? 7. a square minus d square is equal to 231. A square minus d square is equal to 231 by 7. 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 20. So a 7 square minus d square is equal to 33, minus d square is equal to minus 16, d is equal to plus minus 4. Now we have a 2 series. If d is 4 and a is 7, the first series will be 7, 11, 15. If d is minus 4, the first number will be 7, 7 minus 4, 3, and the first number is 3. 3, 7, so the numbers will be because our number was a plus d and a minus d. So it will be 7, 3 and 11, a minus d, a and a plus d, it will be 7, this will be 11 and this will be 3. So we have to be careful. Another question is that we have is minus 5 plus minus 8 plus minus 11 plus minus 2, 30. Find sum. So we have a is minus 5, d is minus 8 minus minus 5. So minus 8 is plus 5 is minus 3. And we don't have n. For n we will use this last term. Last term is minus 230, which is equal to a plus n minus 1d is equal to minus 230. A is minus plus n minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 230. Minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 225. So minus 3n is equal to minus 228. N is equal to 228 by 3. 3 sevens are 3, 6 are 76. We have to find Sn, meaning by S76. That will be n by 2, a plus l also. 76 by 2, a is minus 5 plus minus 230. Right? It will be 76 by 2 minus 235. So it will be minus 893. Next sum is that a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to 210. Find n. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1d is equal to 62. Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus n. We can use this is equal to 210. So n by 2a is 8 plus this is 62 is equal to 210. N is equal to 210 into 2 by 73. N is equal to 6. And we have to find n. So n is with us. Thank you. And if we want to find d, we can find d from here. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 62. A 8 plus 6 minus 1 d we have to find is equal to 62. 5d is equal to 54 and d is equal to 54 by